Ladies and gentlemen, this is Field Shoot Fridays. My name is Andrew Boyd, and if you're new here, welcome. Today, we are at a place I love, Palouse Falls. I love shooting Palouse Falls, but there is a huge problem with shooting here. What's the problem? It's that everybody shoots the exact same shot. Like literally when I got here, there was like 15 tourists standing with their cameras shooting the exact same shot that everybody else shoots here. I don't have a problem with people getting that one shot of Palouse Falls. In fact, it's probably a good thing. It's a great establishing shot. What the problem is when people completely abandon creativity. You see, my goal as a photographer and a filmmaker is to take inspiration, but not to copy. The goal is to take inspiration from other people's work, from pieces of work that I really like, but never to copy. So that's what I'm doing here today at Palouse Falls. I'm trying to look for new perspectives and capture new images that I haven't seen anybody else do yet. Completely abandoned all reason. I'm on this little ledge that goes around the edge here. I'm trying to edge out a little further and get a good perspective of the full falls. Right now I can only see part of it right there. But let's get this. Okay, so I'm sitting right here in this little cranny. There's an area where part of the cliff slid away right in front of me. So I got a bit more space to hang out. There's like a cave here. I hope some animal doesn't come out of it. Probably should have checked that first. But yeah, so the waterfall is right over there. Look at that. Freaking gorgeous. So what the plan is now is to just set up a composition, fire off a few shots. I'm gonna do what's called creating an HDR. This will be sick. Got a 2-second timer on the camera, tripod's all locked in, and then we're shooting out that way. So check that out. Got the falls, got a bit of foreground here in this plant, and then Palouse Falls right there, camera right here. What's up guys? So I'm here at the base of the waterfall. You can actually see I'm standing in the water here, but I just got this crazy shot where I took 3 shots with 6-second exposures, all panning up, and then I'm going to merge those together and create a panoramic shot with that in post-production. So we'll see how that goes. There's tons of fishers out here. Yeah, I mean, it's just an epic spot. I saw this guy catch this awesome looking fish. I don't know what it was, I don't fish, but yeah, check this out. Let me show you the view. Look at that. We got all the guys over there fishing. Just beautiful, beautiful stuff. Okay, so here's the deal. We're losing light quick, and I still got quite a ways to go to get back up to the top of this thing before the park closes. I don't want a ticket, so I think I'm gonna pack up the gear, hustle out of here to the final location I wanted to try, and then yeah, then that'll be the end of the video. So, packing up now. Let's get it. I want to say a massive thank you to all of you for watching this. If you made it this far, go ahead and give me a like and drop a comment. Let me know where you want me to go shoot next. And if you're enjoying this, if you're enjoying Field Shoot Fridays, Tutorial Tuesdays, make sure to sub for more content. New videos every Tuesday and Friday. So yeah, just subscribe so that you can stay in the loop and see the rest of what's going on. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.